Good morning, everyone. This is the beta version testing of ChitMate app. Thank you, everyone, for coming here. So, this is the screen that you usually see when you boot up or when you install the app. You have a couple of options to log in. The first one is Google, the second one is Facebook, and you can use your number to log in because we are testing today. I'll probably use the guest login. So, this is the home screen that you'll see. So, there are a couple of tiles which will take you to a different page. You can see the overall profit gain. As we have two models. One is an organized model where you invest and you get the same amount as you invested. But in the second model, there's a slight percentage gain that you can get. I'll discuss it. So if you scroll, you can see important dates. They're still building the feature where you can integrate this particular calendar into your widgets. Okay, so let me go back to the top. The first tile is the groups. It shows how many active groups that you're part of. The second tile shows what are the investments that you've done. The third tile shows when is the next payment, and the fourth tile shows the pending balances. So if I click on the groups tab on the tile here, it'll take me to the existing group that I'm part of. And on this particular page, we can see the groups, the members involved, and who's the admin, and when this particular group has started. And then we go to the home page. On the second tile, if I click on invested, it shows like how much I invested on in each group, which is total to 15,000. So this is what I've invested. And the next payment date is April 1st. So, because the pending balance is zero, I'm not supposed to be worried about anything. So, the second, we're going to talk about transactions now. The transaction page, you can see all the activity that is related to your groups. It might not be your own activity, it might be the group's activity. You can see what's happening in the group. And this is the groups page. So when you come to this groups page, what you can see is the ability to add a new group. So if you click on this one, it will take you to the page where you create the group. I'm going to add a test group here. And as I've said, there's this organized model and there's this managed model. Organized is you get what you invested. So if you put $5,000 into this model, you can get $5,000. But in the managed model, you get a little bit high on the percentage of the admin charge. So I'm going to select organized for this testing totals. And I'm going to do $1,000 contribution. If you scroll down, you can see that there's a disclaimer about the contribution. And once I click create group, there's the group page. So on the group page, you can see the start date, the duration, the monthly pool amount, and the members that it's limited to. So for this particular thing, to add members to this group, as this particular button, once I click here, it gives me two options: send invite link and add some context. If I click on send invite link, I will probably copy the invite link. I can share the link using any messenger medium like WhatsApp, Facebook, and from contacts. And in this particular option, we have two ways to add friends. So one, we have friends who are already on this platform and have our other groups and the contacts. So this app accesses the contacts list and it can send an invite link to people who are not on this platform. That's how you add people to this group, and that's how you maintain it. So once you create members, it will send you the notifications for the next payment date, and you just process the payments externally from the app. And this is the profile section. On the profile section, you see the account details, the name and the email. We have the preferences about the reminders and stuff. And we have help and support because this is a beta version. We are probably going to do testing and support the people who are using the beta version on our Discord channels. And this is the way to log out from the platform. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.